Better.
It's getting there. Good. All right. Now we're going to look at the next one. It's called Alpha, the sequel. Okay. The sequel means like, a sequel in movies means the second movie, the same thing. All right. We're going to learn a new concept. Okay. We learned about ties yesterday. Now we're going to learn about the dotted half notes. All right. Now Mr. Elliott talked about yesterday how we don't have a note yet that represents 3 beats. So that's why we have the tie, the half note tied to a chord note. But there is a note that represents 3 beats. It's called the dotted half note. And I wrote, I didn't write an example, but I will. Right up here. Okay? It's called the dotted half note. We know a half note is how many beats, class? 2. Okay? The dot is kind of a funny thing. Have you guys learned about staccato notes yet? Yeah. Okay. So we know of a dot down here that makes the note short. But when the dot is right next to the note, it actually changes the value. Okay? How many of you guys like math? Oh, look at that. Awesome. All right. Here's the funny thing about dotted half notes. Okay? You're going to take the note value. How much is a half note worth? 2. And the dot makes, that's really nice too. You're going to take that 2 and you're going to divide it in half. So what is 2 divided by 2? 1. And then you add it all together. 3 beats, okay? So does the dot always equal 1 extra beat? No. But in this case it does. Can I give you another example of what a dot does? Alright. What if I had a dotted whole note? Okay? Let's break this down. How much is the whole note worth? How many beats? 4 beats, okay? 4 divided by 2 is 2. 4 plus 2 is 6. So in this case, the dot equals 2 beats, okay? So pretty much the dot takes the note value, divides it in half, and then adds it all together. Capiche? Capiche. All right. So look at Alpha, the sequel. I'll answer your question in just a second, okay? Look it over and compare it to number 60, okay? Compare 60 to 61. If I were to play song number 61, would it sound the same as 60? Yeah. It would. Rhythmically, it sounds exactly the same. Okay? You have your hand up. What's your question?
If it's 6 beats, then would it go into the next measure?
Yeah. That's if you had 6 4 times instead of 4 4 times. Okay. Which maybe you'll see it.
Do you guys remember when we talked about whole notes the first time, and I said a whole note only equals 4 counts in a 4/4 measure? And I said later on we'd talk about how if you could have like 6/4 and they put up different time signatures. Okay, that's the only time you're going to see a dotted dotted whole note.
Yep. All right. So let's look at number 61. Okay, let's play number 61. It should sound exactly like number 60. Okay. But before we do, I want to get everyone's first note. I want to get a good solid continuity to that. So low brass. That's where we need that good. So we need that big air. Okay. And tight lift. Okay. As we get that first note. 1, 2, ready. That's the first note. 1, 2, ready, and okay, much better. Now let's start playing 61, okay? 61 sounds exactly the same as 60, okay? Percussion, keep watching, okay? Keep watching, it's great. 1, 2, and 1, 2, ready.
Yeah.
I just want to make sure I have enough time to look at it on piece. Okay, try it again, okay? I'll let you see with number 61. 1, It should be right on top of the page, that next measure. Okay? Does everyone see it? Yeah. Alright. Here's an example of where you can use a first and second ending. Okay? Oh. Mariah Cyrus? Okay. You are being beckoned. Alright, here's an example. This Mary had a little lamb. Okay? Mary had a little lamb. Little lamb, little lamb. Okay, I forgot the dots 30 sign, so I'll do this really quick. Then I'm going to go back here. Mary had a little lamb. Because it's exactly the same before as the first one. But I've already tried this once before. And so I actually need to go to the second ending. Things was white as snow. Does everyone see how that works? Okay. So that's how first and second endings work. It saved me from writing these two measures a second time. It saved me some space on the board. Just like the music saves some space on paper. Yes? It's the same thing as 4-4. You'll get that later on. A C is the same thing as 4-4. It means common time. Because 4-4 is the most common time signature out. Okay? Alright, let's look at up and house up. Here in concept B flat. What is our starting note? For the oboes, it's F. For clarinets and trumpets, it's G. For alto sax, it's a D. Everyone's starting note. Okay, 1, 2, good, breath. Oh, low breath, supporting, keep it going, okay? Let's try the first two measures of this. The first two measures. Yes, okay? Da, 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 da. Do you have a question? What number is it? Number 78. It's right up on the board. Okay? This one's up. Just the first two measures. 1, 2, and 1, 2, ready, and. Remember, second time, the second ending. Oh, that one more measure after that? Okay, so it's not the last measure of the line, okay? But it's right where that bracket is. That's the second ending. Let's try from the beginning, okay? 1, 2,